Hey, welcome back to Stevie Tech. Today we're going to take a quick look at a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 case from INCIPIO. It's called the Dualpro. So let's go ahead and unbox it here and take a look. As you can see, here's the box there, and as always, the link is in the description, so you can go and purchase it from Amazon. It's got drop tested up to 10 feet. And with this, let's see, it says that it's a dual layer protection. It's got 2 layers of defense. With that, it's got a rigid outer shell, a flexible inner bumper, a soft touch finish. So it's got kind of a matte finish to it. So we'll go ahead and slide the box open here. And looking at it here, it's the black version, of course. And it's got a little card in here. Let's see. Alright, so it's got some branding there on the card. On the inside, what do we have? We've got, let's see, a little thank you note. The INCIPIO Lab giving information about what they do and how they make cases. Now we've got, looks like, all of their social media information there. So I'll throw that over there. Looks like on the case, you got some branding right there on the inside. We've got cut out for S Pen, microphone, earphones here. Got your Bixby button, volume up and down. And on the other side, let's see, well, on the top here we've got another cutout for a microphone, and then we've got our power button there on the right side. And of course, you've got your cutout there for your camera, heart rate sensor, and flash. And let's see, as you can see here, like I said, it is a 2-part case, so we've got a little rubber piece inside, and you've got the hard shell on the outside. Now with that, let's see, we'll go ahead and take a look at it here. Again, you've got all your cutouts, and they're supposed to be cut to precision, so let's take a look. So let's see, we've got the Note 8 in here now. We've got all of our cutouts there, and let's check the S Pen. Okay, looks like that's not too difficult to get to, so that's pretty easy there. And then coming around to the side, we've got all your buttons, and let's see, now those pretty even there. I don't really see anything that's not going to be covered or out of place. Looks like everything, all the cutouts are correct. So as always, you can go ahead and test the buttons here. Looks like that's working very well. Your volume up and down seem to be nice and clicky as well. And let's see, we'll go into it here, and you've got the protection from the screen as well there. You've got the raised up bumpers there on the top and bottom to prevent it from smashing if it's laying face down. So that's a pretty good touch there. It also gives you access to seeing the edge lighting. But as you can see, it's a pretty nice little case there from INCIPIO. And nothing seems to be covered, and it looks like it is nice and protective. So with that, looks like a pretty good case. But as always, thanks for watching Stevie Tech, and of course, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And you have a great one.